How to add layer nodes in Color Page in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click on your node and choose Add Node, Add Layer. Layer nodes have a mechanism similar to parallel nodes. Parallel nodes allow you to apply multiple color corrections simultaneously to the same clip, without the corrections affecting each other. To add more inputs, right-click on the layer mixer and choose Add One Input. We can easily convert a layer mixer to parallel node. Just right-click on it and choose Morph into Parallel Node. Here I select my first node, add a pink look to it, and add a green look to the bottom node. Click on the right side of the lines to detach them from Layer Mixer. The very bottom input of the Layer Mixer is the top layer, and as we go up in the inputs, we go down in the layers. Here, for example, I connect green to the bottom input and pink one of the upper inputs, but all I can see is the green. Because it's like layers, we can change the composite mode of the Layer Mixer to combine the nodes connected to it. Right-click on the Layer Mixer and from Composite Mode, choose the one you want.